This channel started uploading shorts only a month ago. With just 18 videos, it has already gained nearly 5,000 subscribers. And on top of that, it crossed 6 million total views. The crazy part, these videos don't take hours to create. Let me show you exactly how to make one. To make this easier, I created a Google Docs file that contains a ready-made prompt. This prompt is designed specifically to generate ultra-realistic tiny animal POV videos. It saves time and helps you get high-quality results instantly. You'll find the Google Docs link in the description. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Then go to the Google Doc where we saved the prompt. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Click Generate. ChatGPT will now give you a list of 10 different animals. You can pick one from the list or type any specific animal you want. For example, I'll type and click Generate again. Now ChatGPT creates a detailed, ready-to-use prompt tailored to that specific animal. Once all prompts are generated, the next step is turning them into visuals. Open Whisk AI. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into Whisk AI's input box. Before generating, adjust the aspect ratio. If you're making shorts or reels, choose 9:16 vertical format. For this tutorial, I'll use landscape mode so everything is clearly visible on screen. Click Generate. Within seconds, Whisk AI will create high-quality, ultra-realistic images based on your prompt. If the first result isn't perfect, just click Generate again. You can keep regenerating until you get an image that matches your vision. Once you find the right image, download it to your device. Now open Grok AI and upload that downloaded image. After uploading, return to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt that was generated earlier. Paste that second prompt into Grok AI and click Generate. In a few moments, Grok AI will create your first video segment. When the video finishes rendering, take the last frame of that video and save it. This step is extremely important. Upload that last frame back into Grok AI. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt, paste it into Grok AI, and generate the next segment. Here's the key rule. Every time you generate a new clip, save the last frame from the previous one and use it as the starting image for the next. This creates smooth continuity between clips. The transitions feel natural, almost like one single continuous shot instead of separate cuts. It gives your POV video a professional cinematic look. Repeat this exact process for all the remaining prompts. Generate a clip, save the last frame, upload it again, paste the next prompt, generate the next segment. By following this system carefully, you'll create multiple video segments that connect seamlessly into one complete POV experience. Once all clips are ready, open Premiere Pro and start a new project. Import every video segment you created with Grok AI. Drag them onto the timeline in the correct order. Start with the clip showing a human researcher holding the ant worker. This works perfectly as your opening scene. Then place the remaining clips in sequence. Because we use the last frame technique, the clip should already align smoothly. Just make sure they're placed in the correct order to maintain the continuous flow. When arranged properly, the video will look like one uninterrupted cinematic shot with no visible jumps. Watch the full sequence once to make sure everything feels smooth and polished. When you're satisfied, export the video in 4K resolution for maximum quality. And that's it. You now know how to create ultra-realistic tiny animal POV videos with seamless transitions, test different animals, experiment with ideas, improve each time,